So one big problem that a lot of people face in their project files is keeping things organized. So let me show you this project we're working on, for example. This project consists of different sections of B-roll that we both provided, and it has vlog footage, old footage, and higher quality things that we got on shoots and everything else. It also includes our 2 interviews. Trying to remember where everything is and keeping all of this stuff organized while making the cut can get really complicated if you don't have a good method. So what most people would do in this case is they would go to Robert's footage and make it a different color than mine, and then they would try to remember what color each thing stands for. And this can work when you don't have a lot of things to keep track of, but one thing that always works for me is using something called slugs. Now this is what slugs look like. They're like little labels that we can put on top of all of our footage to remember what it's called and when we can use it. And how we make these is we go to File, New, Legacy Title, and if we're making one for Robert's interview, we'd write Robert's interview. We would press enter, and then this would come up and we would exit out. What it would look like on my project panel is like this. And now we have a label for Robert's interview. And if we link these two together, we can make cuts on this and move it around, and it will always stay with that label on top of it. So once again, if I was making this for this baby footage, I would go to File, Legacy Title, and write baby footage, and I would exit out, and it would come up on my project panel, and then I would drag it on to here. And you can link things by going to the 2 of them and then right clicking it and pressing group or link, and then it's all linked now. So that's how you make slugs.